So hi everyone, let's do it. I am in the project directory of demo project git, right? And I have couple of files. So let's do it. Let's first clear me screen. Now I'll perform this. So the very first step is to initialize the git. We can do it using git init. So this is giving you warning that you're working on a master branch kind of stuff, but that's okay. So we have initialized the git. Now if you again try to do it, it will show there is already you have initialized the git. Okay, now after this I will add git git remote add origin. Okay, and now you'll provide here the url of your repository. So basically I have created it. I'll just show you. uh, we have this git vs demo I've created. Now I'll copy this url. Okay, I'll come here. I'll pass in double quotes. So I've added the url also. I'll hit enter. Now git add. Now if you check git status, you will see the untracked files. Okay, now in order to add it, we'll do git add and then space and dot. So this will add all your files. Now if you check the status, it will basically show in a green and changes to be committed it shows. Okay, so now let's commit these changes. So how we'll do git commit. This is the command for the same -m, and then your message like updating files from VSCode. Okay, so now I have committed the changes. Now if I check the git status on on a branch master, nothing to commit because you have committed all. Now till this point your changes are in your local only. In order to push it to the remote, you need to push your code. So let's do. Basically if you check git log also, so it will show the latest commit. See the commit, this one author and all it shows. Okay, now after doing this, let's push the changes. Git push you origin master. Okay, now git push you origin. So this should add our changes to the remote. Now if you see on a branch master, and total 3 files got pushed. Now if I check the status, it shows nothing to commit. Your branch is up to date. Now I'll go to github.com and I'll just refresh my page. You can see all the 3 files got added here. Okay, so this way you can directly push your code from github, from VS Code to GitHub basically. And the commands that we follow, you can note down these commands. The first is git init, then git remote add origin, git add, git commit, git log, git push. So these are the stepwise commands for the same. You can note it down. I hope uh, this helps you. Thank you so much.